Welcome back, guys. It's we're exploring the Digging Update in Animal Company Part 2. If you remember from last time, I kind of got scared, but this time we're gonna bring a weapon. So get this weapon. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use. Maybe I should just use. Like I mean, might as well. 'Cause I don't feel like using guns. Too expensive. I don't need that. I do need this. Alright, let's go. Hey. Now we're just gonna dig like just straight down. Where'd the money go? Nope. Hey! What is this? This is new. Hello? We're gonna see what this is. Oh, it just leads to the wall. I hear something. Hello. Interesting. I'm low-key kind of scared. Low-key, we're just gonna do it. Oh. It gave me a bunch of stuff, but my health is insanely low. Let's not do that again. I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, no, bro, I'm running. Back down we go. That's the deeper layers. It's getting dark. Hey! Ah! It's too dark! It's too dark! Hello? I heard like a buzzer sound. Okay. Cool. Wait, guys, we gotta find Larry. Yeah, it's Larry. Get away from Larry. My kitty goat, Larry. Oh, can't fly. But ah! Yes, a carrot. Come to Papa. Okay. Well, let's keep digging. Wait, no, that stupid trash can from earlier. Not earlier, a couple of... What's that? I'm low-key just gonna wait till like, I kind of heal up, you know what I'm saying? Because like, I need help. Because I don't want to necessarily die and lose all my things. This stuff was kind of expensive in the game. And I don't have many monies in the game. Nah, bro. I'm whipping out the sword. This guy's about to get. What are you? Oh, but that was silver. Might be a bit wide. Which I don't need, but I'm gonna mine it. Okay, a pole. Ah. No, I don't want to break my sword, Loki. I like my sword. I'm scared. Okay, at the wall. That means I should be encountering that monster at any point. I'm just gonna. I want to know what this is. Oh, rock. Okay, it's sort of nothing. I think I just gotta keep mining this way. This way. Bro, it scared me, bro. I heard like a screaming that scared me. Come on out, buddy. I'm totally not gonna hurt you with my giant sword. Pause. Huh. I wonder if I should use a banana. Dude, I'm so scared. I'm just gonna keep going forward. He usually hangs out around this area. Okay. Hey. What's this? Hey, bro, I know he's coming up somewhere. I'm scared. I'm scared of dude. Come on out, bud. Hey, there he is. Yeah, come on out, buddy. I actually did a lot of damage on him, but he did do it. Okay. So, he's not too scared. Dude, I'm actually getting touched by a lot of them. Holy. Okay. My health isn't that bad. Come on out. Where'd you go? I'm gonna create myself some more room so I can, dodge and weave. I keep escaping before I can actually come back out. Why do you move so fast? Ah, nah. He moves fast. That means, like, if I'm not careful, he could just snipe me. Oh my god, stupid. Ugh. God, these things scare me. Hello, sir. Can I kill you, please? Like, dude, just die. Dude, just, like, die! Please, just die. God, I'm so low on health. Oh god. I gotta fall back. A banana. Wait, can I eat the banana? Please? No. Okay, I can't eat the banana. Move! I'm scared. I'll get that junk thing. Hello, sir. Can I drink this? Okay. God, do they scare me? God, dude. Back it up, please. Wait. Wait, we might be getting... I'm just gonna let my drill go. Yes, I know there's some nuts over there, but I can't get it right now. I gotta get away from these monsters, man, before I die. Is that a tire? Okay. I'm so low on health. Wait. I see the end, sort of. Oh, I'm just going back up. Okay, that's sort of fine. Hey, I got money. Hey, I got golden coins. Okay. I don't think I have any use for this anymore. Time to go up. Wait. What? Is there not anything? Ow! Sure, that hurt. Sure, okay. I need to get my weapon out. I'm almost dead. Fall back. I died. So I didn't have enough to get another drill fist, but I did have enough to get a pickaxe. I'm gonna go back down. Okay. Well, let's try and go back through here. No, get away! I'll try to get to the ground. Oh, already kind of. Oh! Well, I guess we're going down here. What's that ominous music? Whoa, wait, what's this? What are you? Okay. I didn't drop anything, sadly. Okay, some golden ore. Hey, nuts. Honestly, right where I need it. What is this? I want to know what this is. No, we're trying to keep going down. Is this the bottom? Is it not? Wait, is this a game board? Wait a minute. Not necessarily a board, but like a machine? Let's keep going. Let's go this way, actually. So basically, to get to this, you just want to go, like, when you get down to that hole I was at earlier where Larry is, you just gotta go straight west, like, with the compass on the watch here. You just want to go, like, west. You want to go all the way down, and then all the way west. And you'll go spot where I was just at. Okay. We've hit the bottom. Okay, it's over here. Hopefully. Okay, that's a wall. Yeah. Whoa! Wait! What's that? What's that? What's that say? Ah, it's got flashbanged. Remember, I can't read any of that. I'm scared. What is all this? That's obviously a portal back. We're not going to take that. We're going to actually keep going. I don't feel like going like that way just yet. That way doesn't feel right. Which kind of doesn't. Chunks reset? Chunks? Huh? I don't get it. Oh, I think it means the sand blocks probably. Hello. I mean, this looks really cool and amazing too. You know, I'm whipping out the sword, bro. I'm so scared. Who knows what kind of dastardly monsters might come up? What's that? Oh, just purple goo. Oh, it's a gyrosphere, I think. What are you? Up here. Oh, sweet. I'm gonna go in the middle of here and see what happens. Nothing happens. Okay. This looks sweet. Snap! Ammo! Bet! Okay, that's not ammo. Oh no, it is pistol, but it doesn't go to this. Okay. Oh, what am I supposed to do? What's in here? Oh, another one. Okay. Wait. What if I just try? What? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What? Yeah. Oh. Crap. Ow, wait. Boom. Oh wait, it's a boss. It's a boss fight. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Ow. Sure, that hurts. Oh, I see what to do. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. Ow. Ow, sir, that hurts. Hey, bro. No more laser beam, okay? No! You're gonna die because of that laser beam. I think I need to get on the ground and trigger his thing again. Yeah, like that. Boom. Here, we'll get his heel. Get his toes. Get his toes. Kaboom. Ow. Oh, I'm so low. Ah, oh, dang it, I died. What? Oh, wait, we can go back. Okay. All I want is my sword back. If I could just get my sword, then this guy's cooked. If I could just get my sword and my hook shot, this guy will be cooked. He will be absolutely getting cooked. Trust. There he is. Ah, crap, he already saw me. Get my gun. Not necessarily mine, but... There's all my stuff. Wait, I need to get my sword. Crap, I need to get my hook shot. But I can't with him right there. No, not the stupid laser. Just gotta kind of hide from him like that. Oh. Holy, okay. Okay. Ah, crap. I'm safe from his laser beam for now. Come on, dude, when are you gonna like... go into... No! Again! Oh, crap. I'm almost dead. Wait. I feel like I hear him saying, stop being so loud. Get his ankles! Uh-oh. What if I just flashbang him? I'm scared. Oh, shoot! What am I supposed to do? I don't understand. Oh! I see. I gotta hurry. Come on. Okay. Hey, bro. Not this stuff again. Okay, so I get what I have to do. Okay. This makes sense. This makes sense. Come on, what are you gonna do your flying thing again? Yes! Come on. We're gonna get his... Not again. Wait, I need my pickaxe. Where's my pickaxe? Yes! need this. Come on! Fine. Whoa. He's kind of low. No, he's doing his laser. Not again! Again! Ah, my eyes. Bro, wait, but now, bro, wait, he went through the walls. Oh. One more hit from this guy and I'm surely cooked. Gotta get a lot of hits on him. Oh, he's doing this again. Crap, it's a lot faster. I did it! What are these? I'm keeping all these, bro. Oh snap, dude. Oh. Yeah, no, I need my hook shot. Now that I got my hook shot, we can now go back. We can now get our new cosmetic, keep these new mining tools, and just wait for our animal company. That's all we can mostly do currently. No, come on. There we go. Hey, come on. So that is the end of today's. Whoa. It's the new cosmetic. Well, anyway, that is the end of today's video. Let me know what you want to see next as a VR series, because I'm done with the Animal Company for now until the next update comes out. Well, this is J Monkey. See ya in the next one.